The thing with their course is that it's going to take you longer because their course is more in-depth compared to Google one. I took 4 months in the Google one. I'm probably going to take longer in this one because I just realized it has like 12 different modules. The Google one had 6, maybe 7 different parts. And there are a couple of machine learning engineering professional courses or certifications in so many platforms. Coursera, as one of the leading educational platforms for professionals, has also quite a number of some of these machine learning engineering professional certifications and courses. So far I've done one on Google Cloud Computing. I'm now doing the second one with IBM. And I must say there's a difference between those two. I mean, I think most of you here, you now understand that machine learning is like what is trending right now. Guys who are doing machine learning are really having a huge impact in business and in health and in education and just how we run the world, because they're building models that are helping us come up with things like chatbot, things like virtual assistants, robotics, and all this stuff that is now transforming the way we live, the way we learn, and the way we interact with other human beings on this planet. If you're somebody who is looking for, hey, where can I start? Which is a good course for me to start learning machine learning and maybe be a professional in it. As somebody who has been in these trenches of data and analyzing data and modeling data and doing predictive analysis, descriptive analysis, building models, classification models and stuff like that. Between the two which I've done, Google Cloud Computing, and the one I'm doing right now, which is at IBM, let me just quickly take you to my screen to show you which one I think you should start with, because all of them are amazing. But having done Google Cloud Machine Learning Engineering Professional Certificate, I think that the IBM one is much more in-depth, especially for new beginners. If you're new into AI and machine learning and you really want to first understand the high-level overall bits of machine learning and AI, I think IBM really does a good job so far. I mean, I just started this course maybe I think last week. I use these sheets. I like these type of books to write my notes. This first one is it was 200 sheets. I use it to do the Google Cloud Computing Machine Learning Engineering Professional Certification course. It's 200 sheets, but I write a lot of notes when I'm learning. But basically, I use like maybe half of it to write. To do the entire course. The entire course is like 4 to 6 months, depending on how fast you are. I'm somebody who learns so fast. Not that I learn so fast. I commit more hours a week to learn, so that I just learn faster. So I took like, give or take 4 months max to do the 6 months course. So I finished it in like 4 months. That said, I must say there's some labs in the course which were not loading for some reason. I don't know why they were not loading. You try and click to load the labs. The labs is where you of course build the models. It's not like a physical lab where you go to biology, chemistry now. It's just an online lab, but now you're building models. So now I bought another one of this because I liked writing in this because it just gives you more space to write. So this is, as you can see, it's still more or less empty. So this one I'm going to use for the second course, which of course I've already started. I'm like probably quarter way through that. The reason why I'm bringing this up is because I just to show you that I have of course done this work. On my screen here, this is preparation for Google Cloud Certification, Machine Learning Engineering Professional Certification. So it tells me here enroll now, but I already did it. I finished it. Actually, I finished it last year, December, before the mid of December, I think. So they cover, of course, so many great stuff in this. They cover introduction to AI and machine learning, which is also good because they help to give you that introduction to AI and machine learning. Then they go straight into building, training, and deploying machine models in Keras on Google GCP. So Google Cloud, of course, uses Keras to build models. Then they go to feature engineering. Also, there you have a bunch of different videos you'll watch and courses and labs to do. Then you'll do machine learning in enterprise, which is amazing because now it's all about machine learning in production, right? Then production machine learning systems, now how to develop those systems. Because remember, when you're doing machine learning, you want to develop a system that is autonomous. We don't want to keep on doing the same thing over and over again. No, we want to build the system once and then we just monitor what's going on. But it just runs by itself. Then, of course, envelopes. This is also goes deep into identifying the use core technologies required to support effective envelopes. It's like DevOps in software engineering, but now envelopes is machine learning operations. Adopting the best continuous integration and continuous development or deployment practices and stuff like that. So I did all this. It's a comprehensive one also too, but here is my best, and this is why I'm going to say, and I'm going to tell you why this is my best. IBM Introduction to Artificial Intelligence beats for me Google. Again, I love Google. Someday I hope I'll work for Google. I'm a huge fan of Google, and also I love IBM. But I feel like IBM did an amazing job here. So the thing with their course is that it's going to take you longer because their course is more in-depth compared to Google one. I took 4 months in the Google one. I'm probably going to take longer in this one because I just realized it has like 12 different modules. The Google one had 6, maybe 7 different parts. And this one, for every part or for every module, it has even more videos. As you can see, this is just like the introduction part. And the introduction part, if I open that, it has 12 videos in total. So I really love the introduction to AI. They really get you to understand exactly what it's doing right now. Like, what is AI doing in healthcare? What is AI doing in business and enterprise? What is the AI doing in education? What is the AI doing in e-commerce? Yeah, so it really goes in depth into helping you understand. Like, here is where AI is helping us right now in business. So that way, when you start building the models, you really have at the back of your mind, you understand what you're doing and helping the world become a better place. It goes in depth. It even talks about the chat GPT, AI in daily life. Like, it's an amazing thing. What's a chatbot? You see, some of us, you just hear these buzzwords and you don't understand what they are. But IBM, under their AI course, they go so deep into it. And that's why I'm saying this is probably one of the best for beginners, because they really don't take you straight to coding or doing anything like that. This, first of all, spend a good chunk of time to help you understand all the high level basic things around AI and machine learning and how all these things came about. They even go into history, like where did it begin and why are we here right now. They try to tell you where it's going to be in the near future. If you're somebody who is starting out and you're deciding, you're like, okay, which course should I do in Coursera or whatever, or LinkedIn? If you have Coursera, which is like what, $55 a month, I think that's a bargain for this type of program, because literally this course can give you a job in machine learning, and machine learning experts or data scientists, I think they're some of the best paid professionals right now in the market. That's why I'm even doing this course. It fully falls in my domain because I've been a data analyst and a researcher for 9 years now. So there's something which is really core in my field right now as a tech person, and I'm interested to do it. I'm really, really passionate and looking forward to doing it and finishing it. Now, I'll update you guys on how far I go with this. For me, once I start something, I always have to finish it. Now, today's January. Let me just show you what today is. For those who can see, it is 10th of January. I hope you saw that. 10th of January 2026. I'm hoping to finish this before August of 2026. I'm giving myself 8 months to finish this. That is just because I have other things I'm doing. I'm shooting lots of videos around machine learning, data analysis. I'm trying to create my own website now. I'm creating other programs on how to help people learn, how to help people read books, because I read so many books, as you can see. I read so many books, which I think is amazing. I'm doing all these things. That's why I'm going to take longer. If I was just going to work and doing this course, I could have done it in 5 months. But because I know I have my in trays full with, my bucket list is full of things to do this year, it's going to take me some time. But again, if you're somebody looking to do an introduction, not just introduction, to really understand from introduction all the way to the depth of AI and machine learning, those 2 courses are some of the best, the Google one and the IBM one. For me, personally, I prefer that you can start with the IBM one. But if you're a Google fan, you can go the Google way. So that's why I wanted to share this video. And if you like these tips on how to learn which courses to choose, and if the information I gave you here helped you, follow, like, and share.